Definitely touch them. I touch them a lot. I never leave the room.
I don't know what I'm doing with my breast.
Try out different outfits. I would flaunt them and maybe... Yeah.
You know, lots of, squeeze action.
Of course I would feed them.
I would do a Baywatch scene.
Feed homeless children.
But I like to have that feeling, even when unasikianga kama ziko kwa bra, ama maybe if they're heavy when you're walking or something.
Get familiar with them.
Maybe free drinks in a bar.
Yeah, I don't think I'd do anything else that day.
You breastfeed kids and they are girly. I call them trimies. Breasts are a strength.
They are a vital part of a woman.
Breasts are a part of the body. Awesome. Two apples.
It's very primal. It's the first soft thing you touch.
They make you look good. You feel good.
I guess basically it's because they're not on me.
I'm indifferent about breasts. They're just an attachment.
What's not to love about them? Let's just say the world would be a very sad place without breasts.
Make you feel like a woman.
They provide nourishment.
The way they look when you put on that dress.
They look good on women.
Their shape, I guess.
Yeah, soft in a nice way.
The way they give a woman shape.
They give us milk.
Well, they bring out the womanhood in a woman.
The dance, the softness.
They nurture, they women's breast or men's breast.
Maybe it's touching.
Okay, and different types of lotion people are using. Like if you use either lotion or sprays, there's this kind of lotion or this kind of spray. If you use, you should be careful to get breast cancer.
It only affects women.
That it only affects women.
Well, I guess there's the usual one that doesn't affect men.
That men cannot get breast cancer.
The bigger your breast, the more vulnerable you are to breast cancer.
That all lumps are cancerous, which is not true.
But, basically that's only women would get breast cancer. For the longest time I also thought that. But fact is we guys also get breast cancer and can get growth.
That's only for women. No, only women can get it.
It only happens in women. So I know it happens both in men and women.
You have to be more than 40 to get it. That's enough.
That it only affects women, older women.
If a guy sucks a woman's breast, it lowers the risk of getting breast cancer.
You get breast cancer because of the meals you eat or something.
Only old people get breast cancer, only guys who've been breastfeeding get breast cancer.
To be honest, I don't know a whole lot about breast cancer. But I do know that it's very traumatic.
I would advise everyone to get tested, men or women. Don't be afraid, don't be embarrassed.
Did I self-check?
Most of the time we take these things for granted, so I think everyone, women and men included, need to get checked at least once every year and do the self-exams at least every month.
Let those who feel that they are informed about cancer, breast cancer, to take it as part of their duty to champion it in those who are lacking the info.
Get checked. Prevention is better than cure. It will only take 5 minutes. It's not uncomfortable. Yeah.
When it comes to cancer, early diagnosis is very, very important. And also supporting family to support you through the treatment. It's quite brutal.
Boobs are vital. Men, encourage your women to take self-group checks or check for them. No, not even like touching breasts and all. Yeah, but if discovered early, cancer is actually curable. So we need to take the step of knowing our status.
Do regular checkup. Don't wait to the moment you feel a lump in your breast, then that is the time you go for a checkup.
10% of breast cancer cases are men. So I feel like we all need to be included in this whole entire breast cancer awareness thing. Let's all go and get checked.
Everyone should get checked. I had a scare once, and the only reason I found out is because I do that test that they always tell us to do, and I went to the doctor immediately. I got that, is it called a mammogram? What is it called? That one. And yes, it was just a scare.
Yeah, especially for guys. I mean, don't think it's just chicks, so get checked, you know.
Get checked up. Like, I believe they are, this month, during this month, the checkups are free and guys should take advantage.
Well, I think it's a good place to start. Get educated, get your breast checked.
Yeah, I'd like to advise people, especially this month, to go for breast cancer checkup.
But then it's good to get tested. These things, people take them for granted and they're real.
Don't be embarrassed to get checked. Do it regularly, do it for a friend, and yeah.
You have to accept it, that it is here with us, and the best thing to do is just take it. If you get it, be positive and just take it as it comes. See a doctor, but it's good to go for the annual checkups, so that to prevent or to diagnose early. And at this point, I'd like to say something to Ruthie Angela, who went through this, and I know you're now out of it, but it was a rough path, and you're a strong woman. So to Ruthie and all other women and men out there with breast cancer, take it easy and pray.